What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Masar Way. Today we'll be going over how to make potato tacos, or breakfast tacos. When the quarantine first started, I basically made these every day, so they're super easy. All you really need are tortillas, potatoes, eggs, and cheese if you want, and there you go, you got yourself a taco. Here's a beautiful ingredient list you could take a little snapshot of. Now let's get to cooking. First step is to cut your potato into cubes into the size that you like. Next we're going to be mincing some garlic, and then lastly we'll be shredding some cheese. And now some of you might be thinking, shredding your own cheese? What do I live in peasant times? I can just buy shredded cheese. Well, here's a fun fact. The cellulose that's in shredded cheese, which is the de-clumping agent, is more than likely wood pulp or some other kind of weird plant fiber. So yeah, shred your own cheese. Plus, it's cheaper. Next, we'll heat up some vegetable oil on medium-high and throw in your potatoes. We're going to be cooking them until they're soft on the inside but crispy on the outside. This will take around 15 minutes, but remember to move them around every once in a while so they don't burn up. And once your potatoes are the desired crispiness, go ahead and add in your garlic. The garlic's only going to take a couple minutes to get nice and fried up as well, adding another dimension of flavor. The flavor dance, the flavor dance. Let's add some smoked paprika, some cumin, and some chili powder. Now don't forget, salt to taste. Once you've seasoned, feel free to give your potatoes a couple little flippy flips, but make sure there's not a lot of oil left in the pan. Usually the potatoes at this point will soak up everything and be nice and crispy, but you don't want to be splashing yourself with hot oil. That's a recipe for disaster. Now taste what you've created and adjust your seasonings correctly. Here I just wanted a little bit more salt. Now just add your eggs, scramble them around until they're done, and you're just going to add cheese on top and let it melt from the heat of your potatoey, eggy goodness. And if your stomach doesn't like cheese, just skip this step. Now heat up a tortilla. I usually add a little bit of butter in the pan and build yourself your taco. Aw yeah, potatoes, eggs, cheese, cilantro, hot sauce, yeah. Taco. And yes, this was a massive taco. More like a burrito taco, but nonetheless, delicious. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber to check out more videos like this.